been yet another guerrilla warfare type of day in Parliament today, with the opposition and the government both in commando mode against each other. The climax, ladies and gentlemen, came exactly 2 hours ago at 5 o'clock when the Prime Minister was scheduled to speak. He changed his mind, possibly because of the crazy chaos that has played out through the day in Parliament. And so the Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, was adjourned in exactly 63 seconds at 5 o'clock. That set off another war of words. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are saying, "We told you so. We said the Prime Minister will not come and speak because he's hiding something." The BJP is alleging that the India bloc had pre-planned an attack on the Prime Minister with women MPs at the front. Listen in.
डर गए, आने से डर गए सदन में, और उनके रेल मंत्री और निशिकांत जी तो बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह भागे।
क्यों नहीं आया? डर के भाग गया। जो डर गया वो क्या हुआ? वो मर गया।
मैं मानता हूं विपक्ष की ये बिल्कुल ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना भूमिका रही है।
ये लोग प्री प्लान्ड प्रधानमंत्री जी के चेयर तक महिलाओं को आगे करके और बहुत ही उग्र भाव में, आप उनका वीडियो देखिए।
Ladies and gentlemen, this was the culmination of a day filled with protests both inside and outside the House. When Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal stood up to make his statement on the trade deal, there was hangama. Then at one point, Nishikant Dubey, in a book-for-book moment, tried to quote from a book on Nehru and Edwina and became the target of paper missiles. But what really took the cake and the cherry on top was this. It's on your screens. Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu was trying to enter the Parliament today and was greeted by his old colleagues in the Congress party with a "Hello, my traitor friend." Rahul Gandhi said this. In this college canteen type of banter that took place, Bittu, who till 2024 was with the Congress party, called Rahul Desh ka dushman. Take a look at how it played out.
Hello. Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at your face. That's what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back. Surrender. Hello. Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at your face. That's what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back.
Now, Bittu, who had last year called Rahul Gandhi #1 terrorist, didn't look particularly perturbed by the name calling today, but the BJP decided to step on the gas on Rahul Gandhi. They fielded their Sikh top guns and called this an insult to all Sikhs. Listen in.
जो पंजाब में इन्होंने हजारों सिखों को और देश के हजारों सिखों को इन्होंने कत्ल करवाया, हमारी मां बहनों से रेप करवाए।
It's a mindset. But just because a person wears a turban and he's left your party, you express it in terms of traitor.
बिट्टू ने गद्दारी की पार्टी के साथ। बिट्टू इतना बड़ा इशू नहीं है देश के लिए। बिट्टू इज नॉट ए मुद्दा कोई।
आप कह रहे बिट्टू मुद्दा नहीं, लेकिन
बिल्कुल नहीं है। बिट्टू को सिख कितना मानते हो, सिखों से पूछ लीजिए आप।
Ladies and gentlemen, as the BJP ups the ante on the Bittu issue and the Prime Minister skips Parliament, Rahul Gandhi's focus is very clear. He and the Congress party are insisting that till the House doesn't allow Rahul to speak on General Narvane's book, they will not let the Prime Minister speak.
स्टैंडिंग ऑर्डर था टॉप का कि अगर चाइनीज फोर्सेस अंदर आएंगी तो उन पे बिना हमारे पूछे फायर नहीं करना है। नरवणे जी और हमारी जो आर्मी थी, जो सेना थी, वो उन टैंक्स पर फायर करना चाहती थी क्योंकि वो टैंक्स हमारी टेरिटरी में आ गई थी। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मैसेज दिया कि देखिए, जो उचित समझो वो करो। मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अपनी जिम्मेदारी पूरी नहीं की। नरवणे जी ने साफ लिखा है इसमें, आई फेल्ट रियली अलोन, मैं बिल्कुल अकेला था, आई वॉज अबैंडन्ड बाय द एंटायर एस्टेब्लिशमेंट।
अब आप बताइए, अगर एलओपी को बोलने नहीं दिया एलओपी को एक किताब जो प्रकाशित है, जो आज आपके सामने भी दिखाई है उन्होंने कि प्रकाशित किताब है, अमेज़न से खरीदी गई प्रकाशित किताब है, उससे कोट नहीं करने दे रहे। आप नियम कह रहे हो कि ये नियम का उल्लंघन है। तो अब ये महाराज उठे हैं और ये 6 किताबें सामने दिखा रहे हैं, उनमें से कोट कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं। ये सरकार स्पष्ट दिखाना चाहती है कि इस संसद में सिर्फ उनकी चलती है। ये तो स्पीकर साहब का भी निरादर है, ये संसद का निरादर है, ये लोकतंत्र का निरादर है, ये इस देश की जनता का निरादर है। हम यहाँ इसलिए खड़े हैं क्योंकि हमें कीमती वोट दिया है हमारे नागरिकों ने, देशवासियों ने। हम समय व्यर्थ करने के लिए यहाँ नहीं आए हैं। हम यहाँ इसलिए खड़े हैं कि उनकी आवाज उठाएं, और हम उनकी आवाज उठाएंगे। और हमारे एलओपी को जब तक बोलने नहीं दिया जाएगा तब तक हम इनको भी नहीं बोलने देंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, there's breaking news coming in as we speak. The Congress has got into a huddle. We are being told floor leaders from both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha as we speak are meeting at the residence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge following the dramatic developments from Parliament today. Not just Rahul Gandhi sitting on the steps of the Makar Dwar heckling in a sense one of his own old colleagues, Mr. Bittu, but also the fact that the Prime Minister has skipped speaking today and possibly will be now speaking only tomorrow. So going ahead, what is the strategy? Probably that is what will be discussed this evening. Let me introduce my guest to you, Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP, joining us on the broadcast. Professor Jyotsna, thank you very much, spokesperson of the TDP. Good to have you on the show. Mohan Kumaramangalam, spokesperson of the Congress Party, joining us on the broadcast. Good evening, Mohan ji. And Dr. Saeed Hafiz is spokesperson of the DMK, back on the broadcast with us. Thank you very much. Charu Pragya, can I ask you why the Prime Minister decided to skip his speech? He didn't even enter Parliament. I mean, he didn't even enter the Lok Sabha. And the next thing we were told is that the Lok Sabha has been adjourned. Why? Why did he decide not to speak? Because you've heard what the Congress is saying. They are saying, dar gaye, Prime Minister Modi dar gaye.
Shreya, out of all that transpired in Parliament today, that is the question you want to ask me. Why are you not asking me why Rahul Gandhi had a terrible go at Bittuji? Why are you not asking me
Charu,
that there was evidence that was placed on record in Parliament?
We'll come to that, Charu. I promise you we'll come to that.
No. Why will you come to that? Begin from there. Begin
Charu,
from there. And you know, honestly, Shreya,
Charu,
everybody is sick and tired of this dar gaye, bhag gaye. नहीं, एक मिनट, Shreya, मेरी बात सुनो ना. राहुल गांधी का ना ये जो डर गया वाला स्टेटमेंट है ना, या फियर वाला स्टेटमेंट है ना, it is frankly become.
अच्छा, as you speak, breaking news coming in. As you speak, breaking news coming in, Charu. Charu, let me read this out to you.
ज़्यादा कुछ है ही नहीं.
Breaking news coming in. The Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, now we are being told, will be speaking in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow. 11 o'clock is when we are expecting the Prime Minister to speak. Possibly, we don't know, but right now what we are being told is that he is likely to speak in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow. Yes, Charu, please go ahead and continue what you are saying.
Yes, so this is what I'm saying. This whole narrative of Rahul Gandhi using the word डर गए, fear, मतलब ये क्या बचपने वाली राजनीति है? This is what the Parliament is for. Do you remember in winter session they went on and on saying it's a short winter session. Short winter session भी आपने चलने नहीं दिया. Now in the budget session you are more interested in disruption. And what is this disruption about? You want to talk about a book which has not been published. You yourself said the book has not been published. There is an extract of the book which could have been published in a magazine, and you think you can quote that in Parliament. I mean, look at the logic of it. This is not child play. The Parliament of our country is not a place where you come only for theatrics. It is a place where you come and discuss issues with matter. Okay. Instead of discussing those issues, what are you doing? You're sitting on the steps. You're being a common heckler and troll. You are speaking so disrespectfully, in fact, to one of your own MPs, forgetting entirely the massacre that was carried out at your hands. And after that massacre, the Congress loyalists who were a part of that massacre
I know you
were
want
rewarded.
to speak on Bittu, but for the next 3 minutes, I'm going to ask the...
Why aren't we discuss?
We will, Charu, we will discuss everything that happened in Parliament today. लेकिन भैया जो 5 बजे हुआ है उसको 7 बजे तो पहले 5 मिनट डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा ना, चारू. Mr. Kumaramangalam, why are you saying Prime Minister डर गए, भाग गए? He has a lot to hide. We've just heard Priyanka Gandhi say it. We've seen a tweet. Let's just put out Rahul Gandhi's tweet as well as to what he is saying. The Prime Minister is coming to the Rajya Sabha tomorrow and speaking. No, it's not like he is running away because he doesn't want to put out facts on the trade deal, etc., etc. He will speak tomorrow. आज आपने इतना तमाशा किया. He decided he won't come.
Why could he come and face us in Lok Sabha where he's supposed to speak? I guess if he's running away to Rajya Sabha, then he is in a way running away, right? And as far as Lok Sabha is concerned, and I agree with Charu, this is not child's play, it's very serious when there is no legal, no rule precedent for the speaker not allowing the leader of opposition to speak in his response to the president's address. It's the death of democracy in a lot of ways. Please tell me where in 349 does it even talk about publishing? It talks about business of the house. And if the president talked about national security, his response was very much in line with business of the house. So there is no justification. Of course, the speaker has his discretion, but to misuse his discretion and deny the leader of opposition to speak in the house is honestly, I mean, to Charu's point, this isn't child's play. It's very much demeaning democracy. And as far as the book not being published, I want to go to the definition, the legal definition of publishing. You know, publication is the act of issuance, not distribution success. This book has been published by a publishing house. It has an ISBN number. And the only reason it's not out in circulation is because the Ministry of Defense has held it back. So if you want to go to the letter of the law, then the way publishing is defined, this book is very much
interested
published.
to know where Rahul Gandhi got a copy of that book because before the controversy broke out, there was a listing. And after that, it has been removed. So I'm very interested to know where exactly he got this book from.